Hey guys, welcome back. We are in my garage, which is like my hidey hole in this house because I'm a ladybug. No one sees this space, so I never clean it. Plus, it's like 1,000 degrees in here. It's no air conditioning and it's humid and it smells like feet. I avoid this place at all costs, but this is where we come in our house. So it's sort of like where we drop everything, our shoes, we kick off whatever's in our hands usually, and then no one ever comes back to this place to tidy it. And because no one sees it, I really don't care, but I thought I'd power hour the crap out of this. I have a painting class in exactly an hour and a half, so I'm gonna quickly spend the next hour just tidying it and decluttering, because tidying and decluttering makes such a huge difference. And so many times we're so overwhelmed by, well, the amount of crap in our house that we don't get started. It's so overwhelming that we can't find the motivation to start. So I wanted to hopefully motivate you today and show you that we all have spaces in our home that are horrible and disgusting, and I'm a clutterbug and I have too much stuff, but it doesn't take long to put things back. So let's get started right now.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just want to go my own way, gonna let the past burn down, cause honestly don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself,
And just like that, in 10 minutes, this half of the garage is clean. 10 minutes!
I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
40 minutes, and as you can see, I'm sweaty. I don't know where the time went. It got away from me, but I have to call it quits because I'm going to a painting class and I need to clean up before I go. It's so hot in here. I don't have time to vacuum, so I'm gonna quickly blow out the garage with the blower. It's almost like sweeping or vacuuming, only like a cheater's way of doing it, but I'm pretty happy because in under an hour, it wasn't a full power hour, but in under an hour, I took a space that was just overwhelmed and really messy, and it isn't perfect, but it's so much cleaner and tidier, and I feel really good about myself. So get some motivation to tackle that spot in your house that you're feeling overwhelmed today. Set your timer and see what you can accomplish in an hour. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. It's really hot, so I'm gonna be fast, but I wanted to give you a Gonzo update. I don't know if you know, but we got a new bird, and I rescued him, and he was like, all like jacked up looking and sad, and I thought he was sick, and he's not, and he's happy and healthy and doing really well. I love him, but his chirp sounds like a dying, he's trying to sing, but it's like a dying cat sort of thing. And he's so happy that he sings as soon as the sun comes up at 5 a.m. until the sun goes down. He sings his dying cat screechy horrible sound all freaking day long. So it's like, I'm hoping that Kermit doesn't mimic him and that he starts to mimic Kermit, because otherwise I don't know. I mean, what are you gonna do? That's, I guess, what comes. But yeah, he doesn't have a beautiful, loving song. It's more like a all day long. Did I mention it's all day long? It's all day long. But he is really happy, and Kermit and him are totally best friends forever. So, I mean, it's turned out to be a great thing, and I don't regret it. I shouldn't make fun of it. I do not regret it. I actually think it's hilarious. But yeah, that's my Gonzo update. So I wanted to share with you. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.